New leaks have surfaced about Samsung's 2025 flagship smartphone, the Galaxy S25 Ultra, and the details might disappoint some camera enthusiasts. The leaks, shared by Assemble Debug, outline the phone's full camera specifications, which are strikingly similar to the Galaxy S24 Ultra except for one key upgrade. The specs of the Galaxy S25 Ultra camera are on the screen. Main camera, 200 megapixel, ISOCELL HP2. Ultra-wide camera, 50 megapixel, ISOCELL JN3. 3x telephoto, 10 megapixel, Sony IMX754. 5x telephoto, 50 megapixel, Sony IMX854. And lastly, selfie camera, 12 megapixel, ISOCELL 3 liters U. The highlight of this lineup is the 50 megapixel ultra-wide camera, which marks a substantial jump from the 12 megapixel sensor in the Galaxy S24 Ultra. This upgrade aligns the S25 Ultra with competitors like Google's Pixel 9 Pro and the rumored 2025 iPhone 17 Pro, both expected to feature higher resolution ultra-wide cameras. Switching to a 50 megapixel sensor means sharper details in wide-angle shots, though Samsung has yet to confirm this feature. Additionally, the new ultra-wide lens is expected to have a brighter f1.9 aperture, capable of capturing 34% more light than its predecessor. This enhancement could significantly improve low-light performance, addressing the graininess observed in the Galaxy S24 Ultra. While the hardware changes may not seem groundbreaking, Samsung is known for introducing advanced software and artificial intelligence features with each new Galaxy release. These enhancements could further optimize image quality, processing, and overall camera performance. Lastly, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will feature different processors based on the region. For US markets, it will use the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, while Europe and India will get the Exynos 2500 for the S25 and S25 Plus. However, the S25 Ultra variant will exclusively use the Snapdragon 8 Elite worldwide, ensuring consistent performance. While most users may not notice the chipset difference, tech enthusiasts are likely to appreciate the superior performance of the Snapdragon variant. The Galaxy S25 Ultra may not introduce drastic hardware changes, but the upgraded ultra-wide camera and software improvements could make a noticeable impact. If you're curious about other specs, check out my previous videos covering the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, display enhancements, and design updates. What are your thoughts on the Galaxy S25 Ultra's camera and features? Drop your opinions in the comments below. That's it for today. Peace.